Hey, welcome to my runtime code. And in this video, we are going to see how to install Node.js in our system. Okay. Basically, Node.js is used for creating a React app, Angular applications, running JavaScript code out of the browser. So in current world, if you are working on any website or learning React, Angular, JavaScript, for that Node.js is very important. Okay, so go with that. Now open your browser. I open my Microsoft Edge. You go with any browser and just type Node.js download. Okay, just Node.js download, and here you can see that the first link will be appear from the Node.js organization. It is the original and authentic one, Node.js, and here is the one download button is also given. So just click on download. You will redirect you to Node.js download section. Okay, and here you can see the lots of options: package manager, pre-built installer, pre-built binary, source code. You only focus on pre-built installer. Okay, and in pre-built installer we get a lots of options like I want versions are there. If we want to install any another version, to just click on that and select your particular version. But for me and for system, go with your latest version, latest LTS version. Okay, and that is 20.15 LTS version. LTS is basically all the changes and all the things or the source courses are done. Okay, there is no any future changes in particular version. Okay, and the current version we have see that the 22.30 is a current version. In that we have that time it is not fully developed. It have some minor changes are needed so that this will be not a LTS. And for the safe side, go with the LTS version and select your operating system which you have operating system. For me it is Windows, and select your bit. So for all of the system, for mostly the system has a 64-bit, so just click on 64-bit and click on download Node.js. Okay, it will take some time. Yeah, Node.js 22 pin will be was downloaded. Just go with folder, download sections, and here just click on that exe file, msa file. Okay, on clicking you get a one pop-up. Okay, welcome to Node.js setup wizard. Okay, this setup will be appear in front of you. So just click next, accept the terms and condition for the Node.js, click next, and this is the default folder for your Node.js. All the application, all the software which we have installed are saved in the C drive program file. So just if you want, if any other purpose, any other reason to change that place, you can go with that. But make it as a default. Don't change for the future perspectives. Okay. So C program files of Node.js will be appear in a C drive. Okay, we know there is no need to change that. Click on next. Okay, these things are done by that particular application. Okay, Node.js runtime, core pack manager, npm package manager, which is very help, which is the library or consist of all the library required for the developing any React, Angular, JavaScript application. Okay, and it's already at the path in our system environment. In Java, in C++, in any installation process, we have seen that we go in bin folder, copy that bin path, and paste in system variable. Then it will have a directory path connect with the system and the application. And here we no need to do anything with that. It's take care of all of thing. So just click next. Okay, it's a chocolatey install. Yeah, no need to install that for things because we are beginner. We and if at intermediate level also we no need these things. Okay, just don't mark it. go with default. Okay, and it's asks for the installation. Okay, just click install. It will take some time. After that, it asks for the permission to install in your system or not. Yes or no. To click on yes. Okay. After that, it will take, I think, 1 to 2 minutes. So just wait a couple of minutes. Okay. It is installing in your system. As per your system performance, it will take a time. Okay. Just wait and watch. And after that installation, we have to confirm that it is successfully installed in our system or not. For that, we have to open a command prompt and write a command there in pm dash dash version. Okay, if there with that particular command, it shows that the version which we have installed, then the successfully we install the Nodejs. Now here we can see that the completed the Nodejs installation. So click on finish. Okay. Go to a search bar. Go to search bar. Type CMD or command prompt. Okay. CMD. Okay. Open the command prompt here. Okay. And just type node dash dash version. Okay. Here we can see that the version we have installed 20.15 is installed in our system. For node package module, we write npm dash dash version. Okay, we see that the 10.7.0 currently npm at version 10. So we see that the successfully we installed the Node.js in our system. Uh, if that video will help you, so please subscribe and like that video. And if you need any changes or any particular installation process for your system for any application, just DM me or ping me in a comment with that particular application name. I will make that videos and upload it on YouTube. Okay, thank you. Best of luck.